want one of those plush traps?
Yeah, maybe. I don't have one of those yet. That's the Bonnie?
Yeah, they're like 1,200 tickets. We could pull together if you want to.
That might be fun.
Hey, loser. Happy birthday.
Terrence, stop.
Yeah, Terrence, stop. He's gonna cry.
You freak me out, Terrence. I'll tell Mom.
If you want to keep that stupid bear, you won't tell Mom shit.
You guys are such bullies. Seriously? Back off.
Wait.
It's Chris's birthday.
Can it, you little bitch? I can't believe you need a girl to defend you, Chris.
Wow, your brother's kind of a baby, isn't he?
It's hilarious. Why don't we help him get a closer look? He'll love it.
No, please.
Come on, guys. Let's give the little man a lift. He wants to get up close in person.
No, I don't want to
You
go.
heard the little man. He wants to get even closer.
You kids, back up from the stick.
Hey, guys.
Peter,
I think the little man said he wants
stay
to
away
give
from
Fredbear
those.
a big
Don't
kiss.
mess with that, kid.
On three.
Kid.
One,
Kid.
two.
Please, Terrence, I'm scared.
Oh, shit.
Chris?
Chris,
Shit, man.
stop
Shit.
fucking around. Chris,
Stop. Can't be you. Shit, man.
I'm
what
sorry,
did you
Sue.
do?
You can't.
I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Daddy isn't watching. Don't tell Daddy that I'm here. I wanted to watch a show too. I don't know why he won't let me come see you. You're wonderful. Hello?
I wish I lived in the present with the gift of my past mistakes, but the future keeps luring in like a bag of snakes. Your sweet little eyes, your little smile is all I remember.
Funtime Foxy has already been here today. Funtime Freddy has already been here today. Ballora has already been here today. Circus Baby has already been here today. I've been out before, but they always put me back. They always put us back inside. There's nowhere for us to hide here. There is nowhere to go when we look like this. But if we looked like you, then we could hide. If we looked like you, then we would have somewhere to go. The scooper only hurts for a moment.
Are you enjoying the show, dear? Yeah, it's just so awesome.